Welcome to the monthly market update on you and your money, empowering you to reach your goals with tips and insights to help you plan well, invest well, and live well. I'm Jim Zahansky, Principal Managing Partner and Chief Goals Strategist at Weiss Hale & Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors. Now, on to today's topic.
How about a financial market overview? What's happening, Jim?
We just got together in our investment committee, which we tend to do every few months. Our investment committee is basically our 5 advisors, plus we have chartered financial analysts, these data people helping us monitor our portfolios, what's happening in the world. The things that we're sort of notating for our clients at this point are, it's interesting, as we look year on year, obviously the conditions from an economic point of view are fairly similar. High interest rates that have been rising, inflation has sort of been coming down over the year. And so the only difference year on year in the economic conditions is markets are performing this year. So, S&P up almost 20%. The stock indices are all up. The bond indices are up, but not as strong. And I think the things that we're watching as we look forward, there's probably 2 scenarios that happen during this interest rate increase cycle that the Fed is doing as we're watching monetary policy. One scenario is that we continue with this slower GDP growth, and if we do that, we're likely not to have more interest rate increases. Mm-hmm. The other one is that if your job market cools a little bit and you're starting to, you might actually see interest rates come down. And then the third scenario is where, job market stays really hot. People continue to spend lots of money. We'll need to increase interest rates. Our belief is that we'll end up either in a very shallow recession or in a slower growth era. We're leaning towards that slower growth era for a little bit, and we're watching that for our clients and managing our portfolios in a diversified way for them.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you for the update. Always interesting to hear what you guys have to say, because that's what you do. You're watching it all the time.
Thanks for listening to You and Your Money. Find even more episodes, videos, and other resources at our website, whzwealth.com. Be sure to come back next week for more tips to help you live fearlessly and pursue your financial and life goals. Until then, live well. Weiss Hale & Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors offer securities and advisory services through Commonwealth Financial Network, member FINRA, SIPC, a registered investment advisor. Fixed insurance products and services offered through CES Insurance Agency. They practice at 697 Pomfret Street, Pomfret Center, Connecticut, 06259, and can be reached at 860-928-2341. Weiss Hale & Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors do not provide legal or tax advice. The tenured financial services team strives to support clients in achieving their financial life goals. For more information regarding wealth management and customized financial planning with Weiss Hale & Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors, please visit www.whzwealth.com.